Are you still juggling a dozen different calendars for your team members? One for the front desk, one for each technician, another for walk-ins? It's a scheduling nightmare that's costing you clients every single day. But HighLevel just released a feature that makes all of that chaos disappear instantly. Your receptionist plays calendar Tetris for 5 minutes while customers wait on hold, and half of them hang up before getting scheduled. You're losing revenue because your team's calendars aren't synced, leading to double bookings, missed appointments, and frustrated customers. And you can't scale your service business because managing multiple provider schedules manually becomes impossible as you grow. I'm revealing HighLevel's brand new multi-calendar booking with AI routing feature that scans up to 50 different team calendars in real time and automatically books customers with the right service provider based on the needs. And it works 24/7 without any human intervention. Every customer call gets answered instantly by AI that understands their request and books them with the perfect provider in mere seconds. Your team's calendars stay perfectly optimized with zero scheduling conflicts, maximizing revenue from every available time slot. And you can finally scale your multi-provider business without hiring additional scheduling staff or dealing with coordination chaos. The AI routing intelligence I reveal at the end is a game changer, and it uses smart triggers to understand whether a customer needs a specific provider, a particular service type, or just the next available appointment, then routes them perfectly every single time. Service businesses with multiple providers face an impossible scheduling challenge. Every customer has different needs, every provider has different availability, and manually coordinating everything creates bottlenecks that lose customers and revenue. This leaves business owners watching potential customers hang up during long hold times while staff searches for availability. You're losing thousands in revenue because scheduling inefficiency prevents you from filling all available appointment slots. You're dealing with constant customer frustration from double bookings and scheduling errors. And you're hitting growth ceilings because you can't manage scheduling complexity as you add more providers or people. I helped a client that was experiencing this exact problem in their med spa business. They had 6 technicians with different specialties and availability, and the front desk spent more time playing calendar Tetris than actually providing customer service. They were losing appointments daily because customers wouldn't wait on hold, and I knew they were leaving massive revenue on the table. HighLevel's multi-calendar booking with AI routing gives you the superpower of perfect scheduling across unlimited team members. The AI instantly understands what customers need, scans all your provider calendars simultaneously, and books them with the right person at the right time 24/7 without any human coordination. You can implement this feature in your barbershop, your med spa, your dental office, your doctor's practice, salon, wellness center, gym, or any multi-provider service business using simple point-and-click setup that requires zero technical skills. But the impact is immediate, with every customer getting instant, accurate scheduling. Imagine never losing another customer to hold times or scheduling confusion. Your AI handles every booking request perfectly. Your team's calendars stay optimally filled, and you can scale 50 providers without adding scheduling staff or complexity. Now, I know what you're thinking. Our scheduling needs are too complex for AI to even understand. That's exactly why HighLevel built smart trigger routing into this feature. You configure the business rules one time, which providers handle which services, which customers prefer which providers, which time slots are new versus existing clients, and the AI follows those rules perfectly every single time. It's not guessing, it's executing your exact scheduling logic at machine speed. You might also be worried, what if the AI books someone with the wrong provider at the wrong time? The AI only books appointments based on the rules and availability you configure. It can't create conflicts because it's scanning real-time calendar data. And here's the key. You maintain complete control over the logic. The AI is executing your scheduling system, not making independent decisions. Plus, customers get instant confirmation. So in any rare issue are caught immediately. They're not discovered when someone just shows up at the business. I'm sure you're thinking, this probably only works for simple businesses with basic scheduling. HighLevel has designed this specifically for complex multi-provider businesses. It can handle up to 50 different calendars simultaneously, understands service-specific routing, manages provider specialties, and processes customer preferences. Whether you're a dental practice with multiple specialists, a med spa with different treatment providers, or a salon with varied service offerings, the system scales to your complexity. Actually, customers get better personal service because they're not waiting on hold or dealing with scheduling confusion. The AI books them with their preferred provider instantly, remembering their history, and handles their requests professionally. Your team then provides the personal touch during the actual service, not during the administrative scheduling process. You're automating coordination, not relationships. And I already know what you're thinking. This is probably expensive and requires ongoing maintenance and management. Compare the cost of hiring additional front desk staff to handle scheduling for multiple providers. One receptionist can only handle one call at a time, but the AI handles unlimited simultaneous booking requests. You're not adding cost, you're eliminating the need for additional scheduling staff as you scale. And once it's configured, it runs automatically. No ongoing management or maintenance required. 6 months ago, my med spa client was hitting a growth ceiling. He had 6 skilled technicians offering different treatments, but the scheduling was chaos. Customers were calling, asking for specific services, and the front desk staff would spend 5 to 10 minutes checking multiple calendars, putting people on hold, and trying to coordinate availability. They were losing at least 3 to 5 appointments daily to hang-ups during hold times. Then I discovered today HighLevel's multi-calendar booking with AI routing features. I was skeptical that AI can handle this complexity. We had different providers for different treatments, regular clients with provider preferences, and varying appointment lengths. But I decided to test it today. The scheduling chaos was preventing them from growing. By the end of the day today, they captured 18 appointments that would have been lost due to hold times. Within 30 days, we expect their booking rate to be increased by 47% simply because every customer gets instant, accurate scheduling. The front desk staff went from stressed out, overwhelmed, to focusing on customer service and upselling. Here's the biggest win. They were able to add a few more technicians without any increase in scheduling complexity. The AI just scaled with the med spa effortlessly. All right, let's dive in. Imagine running a business with a range of services just like this auto repair shop. You'd keep separate calendars for things like AC repairs, engine work, tire services, and more. Previously, we had to juggle everything with a single calendar for our voice AI. But as you know, customers call for all sorts of reasons. It's time to shake things up. Let's set this up. We'll click on the appointment booking action, and right at the top, you'll see 2 options: single calendar and multi-calendar. Let's go with multi-calendar. This is where it gets interesting. You can select all the calendars you need. Currently, we support both group and non-group calendars. Here we're selecting the repair group's calendar and the used car calendar. Feel free to choose as many as you need. HighLevel's AI takes over from here, directing appointments to the right calendar based on the request. We support up to 50 calendars, each with a handy description. You can also add a user-entered description. This helps guide the AI on when to use each calendar. You can write it yourself or let the AI take care of it for you. Let's set up the user-entered descriptions now so we can inform the AI when to use each calendar. You'll define trigger keywords and conditions. For example, if someone says AC is not working or cold air, you can add those keywords here. Here's a time saver. Just click on Generate with AI. It will automatically create smart trigger features based on our calendar names and descriptions. The AI does the heavy lifting, so you don't have to think of every possible phrase a customer might use. Next up is the fallback calendar. If none of the triggers match, we can assign a default calendar for booking the appointment. So let's go ahead and schedule a repair visit now. These are some advanced settings already available for the single calendar. Let's hit save and make a test call to see everything in action. Hi there. My car's AC isn't blowing cold air anymore. Can we get that checked out? The first available slot works for me, thanks. Oh, and my email is alexmail.com. Yes, indeed. Do you offer car exhaust tuning services as well? Could you schedule an appointment for the car exhaust tuning? It should be under the general category. The first option is fine. Yes, please do. Oh, and no, that's all for now. Thank you, goodbye. As you can see, the appointment has been booked under the AC calendar. Here are the details. It's reserved in the car AC calendar for that specific user at the requested time. All right, we're back. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough. Quick pro tip here. When you're managing multiple service providers with complex scheduling needs like this, having everything in one uniform platform makes life so much easier. I happen to use HighLevel for this because it keeps all my provider calendars, customer communications, booking automations in one place instead of juggling multiple systems. They have an extended trial if you use my link instead of a 14-day standard trial, and this allows you to test how the multi-calendar AI routing works for your business. The link's in the description at the end of the video. Marcus Lemonis, the business turnaround expert and host of The Profit, said something that really resonates with me here. The biggest problem I see in service businesses isn't the lack of customers, it's the operational inefficiency that prevents them from serving customers they already have. HighLevel's multi-calendar AI routing directly solves this operational inefficiency problem. Service businesses aren't failing because they can't attract clients. They're struggling because they can't efficiently schedule and serve customers across multiple providers. This feature eliminates the scheduling bottleneck that prevents service businesses from scaling, allowing them to create and serve more customers with the same or fewer administrative resources. One last thing, since you're watching this video about solving your multi-provider scheduling chaos, I want to share something that might help you get started faster. I've arranged for an extended 30-day trial with HighLevel. Normally it's just 14 days, so you have more time to actually set up your provider calendars, configure your routing triggers, and test the AI booking system without feeling rushed. What makes this particularly valuable is the bonus package that comes with it. You'll get access to me and my coaching support to help you configure your specific scheduling logic, over $32,000 in templates and resources, including pre-built service business snapshots, ready to deploy calendar configurations for different business types, professional booking page templates that integrate with the AI system, and custom GPTs that are already configured for common service business scenarios. The reason I'm sharing this because when I started, I wasted months to try to coordinate multiple calendars across different platforms that didn't talk to each other. Having everything in one platform, your provider calendars, your AI booking system, customer database, and communication tools just makes implementation so much smoother. You can actually focus on serving customers instead of troubleshooting scheduling conflicts. The extended trial link is in the description with all the bonus details. No pressure either way. I just know how frustrating it is to try to manage multi-provider scheduling with disconnected tools. So if you want a simpler path, that's there for you right down below. Thank you for watching, and if this was helpful and you can see how this feature would solve your scheduling chaos, a like really helps the other service business owners find this content. And subscribe if you want more practical videos about business automation and implementing AI. I'm constantly testing new HighLevel features and sharing what actually works for real businesses. See you in the next one.